Right, it has been a while since being in London to do some photography. Last time I was in London was the start of August, so it's good to be back. My hometown with a camera in hand. I don't know what the plan is. I'm just gonna mooch and see what shots I can get along the way. Just enjoy the day, really. Sun's breaking through clouds, but there is quite a lot of clouds, so I'm expecting some rain. That'd be better than flat light though, wouldn't it? So let's think positive, let's get shooting, let's see what we can see. This reflection's quite nice. I'm going to try and get something here, just for people walking through the frame. It's not super clear. I need someone with a large stride, if you will, and a clear backdrop. But yeah, you see the vision here, and you could even split it and use the window as a joint reflection there, which is quite nice. So people have started putting up their Halloween decorations, and in this pub they've got all cobwebs on the window, but I can sort of get a double exposure shot almost by putting the camera up to the window, and as people walk through you can capture their reflections from that side of the street in this window, and it looks quite fun. I'm back at my stairs. They're sort of fixed. I remember last time I came here, you couldn't walk on them, but now people are, so that's good. It's dead today. It could be the weather, and I could be over-exaggerating, but I'm not seeing much. I'm getting what I can though, and I'm still getting my eye in. But yeah, it's still good to be back, isn't it? And it's good to be back here of all places as well. One new change sort of made up for it, but Bank and that area was really, really quiet. So I come to the South Bank, which has a lot more activity. So much so that I'm also going to go in Tate Modern get inside a little bit and shoot in there. I haven't done it in ages, so we'll see what we can see while we're in there. Hopefully there should be some good shots. There's a couple of people over there feeding a hell of a lot of seagulls and pigeons, so I might go and shoot that right before I go in. It looks like I could silhouette them against the sky, frame them with the birds. It might create a little interesting set, but then after that, straight into the Tate, see what's going on in there. So this is quite fun, just a stairway with the window right at the end. Solo subject standing at that window would be quite cool. Here's to hoping, right? So a very typical shot now is underneath this bridge along the south bank, just past the Tate. I want to capture someone on the upper walkway here and hopefully capture them as a silhouette with the skyline behind them. That's the plan anyway. And hopefully it'll work. I'll wait here for a solo subject rather than having someone at the top and at the bottom. And hopefully that'll look nice. Who knows? But it's very popular, this little spot here. It's even more popular when it starts to get rainy because this area floods. So you get a reflection shot as well at the same time, which is quite nice. Right, I've continued on along the south bank and I'm outside the National Theatre now. Geometric shapes and stuff, better when it's sunny, but the rain has just slowly started to come out. So it's 4 p.m, I'm gonna give it another hour and then I think I'm gonna call it. But I've got some good pictures surprisingly from my first trip back into London in a very long time. I've sort of considered this more of like a getting to grips with the city again and just visiting my go-to spots, if you will. So nothing crazy, but I've enjoyed my time, and that's the main thing, right? So let's enjoy this last hour. Hopefully the rain really comes down and we'll go from there. I'm gonna try and do something here as people are passing. Just capture them as they go past this staircase here, or come down or go up, whatever it is. Just try and capture someone passing. The white of the building at the top of the stairs creates a bit of negative space. The lights and the leading lines as well. It's pretty good. Should be a good image here, hopefully. Fingers crossed. At the top of those stairs as well, we always have temporary art exhibitions. This is one of them. It's quite nice actually. Just bits of light. Almost looks like ice with the texture to it. I'm going to try and make something of this and turn it into a shot. Maybe use the reflection of it in that window over there. Getting really gloomy now though, so hopefully the rain really does come out. Right, that's going to do it for today's video. Just a nice little warm-up day, getting me back into the swing of things in the city. Because the weather's changing, that also means more nighttime photography. So stay tuned for that if you haven't subscribed already. I do enjoy nighttime, I just don't do it very often in the summer because of how late it actually gets dark. Should be good though coming into winter. Things are changing, more reflections with the rain and stuff like that. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.